Hello guys! For today's video, maggagawa tayo ng mga drawing. Pabayan nyo yan. Ano kasi, magagawa tayo ng mata. Wala pa naman akong gacha club. Wala akong gacha club. Gagawa tayo ng mata. Kahit wala akong gacha club. Guys, ayan o. Okay. Ito na. So, gagawa tayo ng mata, sabi ko mga digets, nuggets, hindi nuggets. Adobo tayo. Okay, gagawa na tayo ng mata guys. So, by the way, naka-ano ako. Naka-Apple Pens. Apple Pens. Kinagat ako ng mga takip. Sa ano pa yun? Sa dila. Ay, laki. Ay, Ayan. Kinatay. Hindi. Dapat dalawa. Ito.
I think is on Wendell, is it not? They just get tangled up here. It's going to go into the bench. The foul is on Carter.
Ayan guys. So, ewan ko. Babalik yung kamay ko.
From three-point range.
So, babalik yung kamay ko.
Mitchell on balance. And timeout Cleveland.
Ayan. Tsaka, gagawa akong gano'n. Ay, mali. Ang laki pa ng... Okay na yun guys.
Unfortunately for the Grizzlies, it's on this exchange between Desmond Bane and Donovan Mitchell. Okay, so Donovan Mitchell is on the ground, and as they both tussle for the basketball, this is the interesting part. The New Yorker goes to try to get leverage and get on top of things. Here we got some
Ito.
action here.
Yan. Ano.
We got DeMar DeRozan again. It happened last year with Chicago. It's happening again here at Toyota Center tonight.
Ayan. Ganda. Okay. Hindi ako talented. Pero, yan. Talented ako sa mga mata, drawing ng mga mata ko. Ganun.
You see there, can't really tell. Doesn't look like punches were thrown. Just a lot of collar grabbing, and then Sohan grabbing Dort by the jersey.
It's going to take some time to sort through who's involved in it versus who. Jumani and Shea.
Parang di tama.
Edwards pushing Delano. They got to call the first one on Edwards. Delano. Need to step away.
Ayan.
Need to step away. Delano's upset because he got pushed first. Fell in time. Come in there.
May gusyong ganda ba eh. Tsaka yung lips, nakakalimutan ko. So, gagawa na lang tayo ng lips natin. Ito yung tutorial lips ko. Magpalit ng lips. Oh my gosh. Search ko mamaya sa YouTube. Okay. Ayan. I mean, ayan. 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 Tingnan natin. Tignan lang natin. Oh, okay. Turn up na natin ito. Okay. Kulay brown. Kulay brown. Ayan guys, ayan. Oh my gosh, buti na lang, naka-on. Kulay white nga natin. Sobrang kulay white. Ay, oo nga pala. Pero ayan. Diba? Hindi ako marunong. Special visit. Ano yun? Brush ba? Eraser? Blur. Blur pala. Oh my gosh. Pangit na tuloy.
Van Vliet comes up with it, goes to the corner. That one in and out. And a whistle and a foul.
Mike, remember that sound we played? It's a little bit of slow here.
Ayan.
Quickly gets between them.
Black.
It was great work by the coaching staff and the officials.
I don't know pag tama ako. Kasi ito. Malaki sana. Ayan. Mahilig ako sa mga malalaki. Ayan, okay? Parang frog yung ginawa, guys. Hindi natin yan frog, guys. Ayun. Okay na yan. Hindi ko alam bakit ganito ako mag-drawing, pero kaya drawing kahit ano. Blush. Di ako pick me guys. Gawa ko lang ay ganito. Tsaka, okay lang ba yung art ko guys? Parang, okay. Ay, si Barbie to. Ayoko ng eyeliner. Tsaka, kulay black. Para dito. Ay, nisi. Nobody gave you a sky. Some legendary star. Nobody gave you a sky. So guys, pagsasabi na ako ng tutorial, how to do lips. Okay? Tutorial how to make lips in Ibis text.
Draw a plus sign first. 2 hearts vertically.
Alright, first make your sketch. Then do the line art. After that, fill in the base colors. And now all you have to do is add some small details and we're done. Bye! Art tutorial.
Okay, ba ang gagawin nila?
I heard if you use
Draw a plus sign.
Plus sign. I get it, guys. Magdodrawing tayo. Ay, hindi si Uni. I get it, guys. Up nga natin. Okay, parang ba't ang cute? Okay, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. Lips na tayo. Magdodraw tayo. Ewan ko. Ano ba na ito? Diba? Hindi. Ito ata. Ano yung ito? First, draw a plus sign. No! Ang laki, be! Ang laki. Dapat maliit lang. Maliit na ba yan? Parang lips na yan. A straight plus line kasi. Tayo ng heart.
First, two.
2 hearts vertical. Okay. Ulit pa naman ang labi. Paano natin ito i-video?
Schroeder and Stewart, and I don't know, Beef Stew was saying, hey, you jumped into one of our fans, and Dennis was like, hey, I'm just going for the ball.
Wait lang, guys. 2 hearts. Oh, okay. I get it, guys. I get it.
To shoot a three. Everybody on that bench saying, challenge this one.
Oh my gosh.
Hearts vertically. Draw the basic lines of the lip.
Basic lines in the lips. Okay. Exciting na ako, guys. Ay, excited na ako. Exciting man. No, na-press ko. Okay. Yung red na lips natin, guys. Okay. Ay, bisit. Paano ba? Ganyan? Tsaka... Ano ba, ganyan? Okay. Okay. Ano na? Okay. Ang hirap. Ang hirap palang gumawa ng lips. Ang hirap pala. Okay. Okay guys, malapit na.
Vando pushed him, then Sohan threw the ball at him. Neither one of them were trying to match all those first two, and then all of a sudden they pushed at each other.
Oh, ayan! Ayan yung sinasabi ko eh. Maganda yan. Ang layo. Ba't ang layo? Okay. Ayan. Ganyan ba talaga guys? Pag malayo talaga. Ay, dito pala. Dito sa heart. Ayan, tsaka dito sa heart. Ayan. Oh, ang ganda.
Add skin color.
Mag-add pa talaga tayo ng skin color. Mag-add pa talaga tayo ng skin color. Ha? Didelete ko na to guys. Ooh, juicy talaga na yan. Juicy ba to? Hindi naman to juicy. My gosh, parang guys. Okay guys, parang Jeji mo naman ginagawa ko yung add skin color. Paano ako mag-add ng skin color dyan mo rin. Ano ba? Huwag niyo ako iwanin eh. May ginawa ako dito. May ginagawa ako dito. Sana hindi na lang ako sila. The queen's arriving. Oh my god! Oh! Ito. Malaki yan eh. Sinatana sisusuwota. Tsaka anong gagawin? Ay, kukulangan yan. Mga Jeje. Galing nila gumawa. Ba't ako hindi? Doon tayo sa ano sa... Hindi yan. Nasa na yung paborito kong... Nasaan? Okay, wala dito. Ay, ayun. Buti na lang. Ito ata. Ito. Tingnan natin. Okay.
Took a direct shot. Lindsay. The crew chief directing Najee Marshall back.
Najee Marshall might as well know that he's going to get about 5 games.
That'll be the end of the night. Yeah, so both players. So you see Nurkic backing down. He got an elbow kind of up into the face.
Yeah, but he's off balance.
And Nurkic walking back. And something was clearly said. Well, Nurk kind of took a swat at him. As
my gosh, ang chichi mo talaga.
Najee Marshall. There was a push. Crush in the face. And then Marshall.
He missed the punch.
He missed the punch.
I thought he punched him and he fell, but it was more so he was off balance. Kind of rubbed his hand.
Ito na ba yung...
Oh, he did catch him. He caught him in the ear.
Little bit of the...
With a soft brush, draw the basic shape of the lips.
Okay ba? Mali ako. A soft brush. O, soft brush na nga to. Ay, visit mali. Guys, di nyo to mahanap tong brush na to. Ay, kung mahanap nyo pa guys, i-hate nyo ako. Ayoko magkaroon ng hate. Ang juicy talaga ng lips to ah. Juicy pala. Juicy na juicy pala. Ang juicy eh. Kasi pangit. Talagang maganda. Sini. Yan. Juicy. Juicy talaga. Juicy. Juicy lips. Juicy lips. Saka kulay white na lines. Guys, ang pangit ito. Lipstick yan.
Definitely a flagrant 2. He should be out of the game after a play like that.
It is definitely a flagrant one.
8-point game. Nembhard. And getting into it with Gobert now wins.
Ang juicy na talaga, be. Hindi ko na kailangan ng mga ganyan. Ang juicy na talaga. Okay na, guys. Oh my gosh, ang pangit.
Exactly right. So they missed the foul by Nembhard on Mike Conley. And Rudy is protecting his guy. And they still have some, so I guess give Atlanta a little bit of credit for getting back.
Okay na, guys. Ito yun na yung pangit. Okay, bye-bye, guys.